Greetings from Rachna, Sagar. Today, I will explain you all the activities that are mentioned in E-Mathematics Made Fun with Mentors Mojo Box for classes 1 to 5. Let's start. Let's start with E-Mathematics Made Fun. So, this concept is judo cubes. So, these judo cubes can be helped in teaching number of mathematical concepts. Firstly, you can teach the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Next, as you can see, you can teach about the pattern, like first yellow, then green, then yellow, then green, and so on. Next concept is addition. For example, 4 plus 3 is equal to, now the child can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Likewise, you can teach about subtraction. So, you can ask the students to subtract 2 cubes from this line. So, the student will subtract 2 cubes and then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Next concept is color recognition. So, this is brown, this is green, or you can say light green, this is dark green, this is yellow, this is red, and so on. So, with these judo cubes, you can also teach multiplication. 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 3, so 3 3s are 9. They can count as well 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Likewise, you can teach division. So, these are 10 judo cubes. Now, you can ask the students to divide it amongst 5 students. So, the student will divide. So, 2 is divided for each child. So, likewise, these judo cubes are very helpful, plus an instruction manual is also provided so that you can refer it and do different kinds of activities. Our next teaching learning material for mathematics is this Ganit Mala. This Ganit Mala can be also used for various mathematical concepts. For example, let's start from the basic counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next concept is addition. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So, you can ask the students to add 2 to 5 and then count. So, 1, 2. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, like this you can teach the concept of addition. Next, subtraction. So, now you can ask the students to subtract 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Like this, you can teach the color concept. This is red, this is white, again red and again white. So, through this you can teach about the pattern as well as the color. Next, you can teach the concept of multiplication. 1 times 3, 2 times 3 and 3 times 3. So, 3 3s are 9. Next, you can teach the concept of division. So, these are 10 beads 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, you can ask the students to divide these 10 beads into 5 students. So, let's start to divide 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So, each student receive 2 beads. Like this Ganit Mala is very helpful, plus you get an instruction manual through which you can know different methods how you can use this Ganit Mala. Let's start with our next teaching learning material, that are these number cards. These number cards are helpful in learning different concepts like recognition of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The unit place, the tens, the hundreds, the thousand, like this is the unit place, this is the tens place, this is the hundreds place and this is the thousand place. The next concept that you can teach is expanded form. 6,327. So the expanded form would be 6,320 and 7. So this is the expanded form. Likewise, you can teach number of number concepts through these number cards. Also, an instruction manual is provided so that you can refer it from there. Let's start with a very interesting activity related to mathematics. It is included in E-Mathematics Made Fun Mentors Mojo Box. So, this is called Shapes Family. As you can see, we have given different cutouts of different shapes and different sizes and different colors. Now, this can be used to, first of all, recognition of colors, recognition of the sizes, as you can ask the students which is the bigger and which is the smaller. Next, this can be used to define different types of geometrical shapes. For example, the students will recognize this as this is a triangle, and then the teacher can ask the students how many sides a triangle has, how many edges a triangle has, how many faces a triangle has, and further she can explain about the rectangle, about the square, about the circle, etc. Now, as you will see that this activity will definitely develop creative skills in the students, and like you can see that I have made a small creature over here just using these shapes. Now, in the class, the teacher can ask the students to make different kinds of creatures or a house or a shape using all these shapes. Now, this would be a fun activity and the students will learn in a fun way. Plus, the students will learn mathematical concepts in an interesting way which will cater in lifelong learning. Let's start with another very interesting activity of mathematics, that is taming the table. I will explain you one of the variation that you can play using these rubber token, the two dices and some of the cards. So we are having green cards, orange cards, red cards, yellow cards, grey cards and blue cards, but for this variation of taming the table, we will only take the green cards because we will play the game of 3 and all the multiples of 3 are mentioned on the green cards. So for this game, I have arranged 3 on this dice, and for example, 4 students are playing the game. So I will distribute 5 rubber tokens to each student for the first one, for the second one, for the third one and for the fourth one. Right. So first of all, the student will roll the dice. It's 9. So the student will think, what is 3 times 9? The student will think and they will search. So 3 times 9 is equal to 27. So student will search. So student A will place his or her rubber token on 27. The next student will again roll the dice and it's 3. Now 3 times 3 is equal to what? The student will think and then place their rubber token on 9. Then again the student will roll the dice and again we get 3. So he will again roll the dice. It's 6. So what is 3 times 6? Now the student will think about it and he or she will place the rubber token on 18. So what is 3 times 8? 3 times 8 is equal to 24. So, you will be thinking who would be the winner of this game. The student who finishes their all rubber tokens first will win the game. So likewise, this game could be played. Now, you will see that this is a playway method of learning the tables, as the students find monotonous to learn all the tables, but by playing this particular game, the students will enjoy and then they will learn the table, and it will indulge the student into lifelong learning. And now this activity will develop creative thinking skills, critical thinking skills, collaborative skills, observation skills in the students. These were all the activities that were mentioned in E-Mathematics Made Fun with Mentors Mojo Box. I hope you enjoyed all the activities. Happy learning!